What is this? I guess it's time for a new keyboard. This is the Epomaker Aula FC keyboard, widely known as the best budget keyboard on the market right now, and I got mine in black and yellow. I actually wanted the all black one, but it was sold out, and this is what it sounds like, by the way. I got the Greywood V3 switches, and it has 3 types of connection, as you can see. It has 2 feed adjustments, a level 1 and a level 2. Overall, the keyboard is amazing. I mean, the build quality is really good. It's thick plastic, it's sturdy, it sounds amazing, even the spacebar, and I've had it for like a week and haven't needed to charge it. My only complaint is the volume knob is a little loose, but at least we get one. So some final thoughts are, I haven't really looked into the software, and the LEDs do get quite a bit bright, but make sure you get the right keycaps so it can bleed through. And I'm actually going to be switching my keycaps. I bought some black and white ones that are going to look really sick with my setup, and it's going to match perfectly. But yeah, if you like LEDs, I mean, I usually keep mine turned off, but if you do like LEDs, that's something you should probably think about when buying this. But honestly, Christmas is coming up and stuff. This is a perfect gift. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this for the price. This is just extra footage of me typing with the keyboard, so if you want to get a feel for it, here you go. Enjoy.